everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I am so excited for today's video. I can't even tell you how excited I am. I have got a gel polish kit from a brand called UMIKK. I have been sent this for review, but all the opinions will be my own. I'm not going to sit there and hype it up if it's not a very good product. But I've heard really good things about this gel polish. It looks really nice, super affordable. I believe this kit on Amazon is £25.99, so it's really affordable for what it is, and I'm so excited. The colours in this kit look absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait to show you all. So I'm going to jump straight into the video. I hope you all enjoy it, and other than that, let's get started. So this is the brand here. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I'd say UMIKK, but I might be wrong. I do apologise if I'm wrong. And it's quite a simplistic box. It's just bright pink and it says "You make impressive work gel nail polish set." This kit is called the Outstanding Black White Collection. It's got 21 colours. It also comes with one base coat, one top coat, like a glossy top coat, and one matte top coat. It says here that it's natural resin, UV LED cured, nail strengthening and long lasting for up to 21 days. It sounds amazing. I love the simplistic packaging, very similar box to the Beatles. I can't show you the side of the box because where my camera is, but it just states to keep it away from children. It's inedible. I'd like to think no one was eating gel polish, but they've stated it anyway, which is good. Keep away from fire. It's valid for 24 months, and it comes with a user manual, and also it's got a recyclable sign on it. So I believe all the packaging is recyclable, which is really good. And on the other side of the box, it does state the ingredients, the instructions, how to store them. It also suggests doing a skin test, and then also states the manufacturer and the address of the manufacturer. So yeah, really good packaging. So this is what the inside of the packaging looks like. These are very similar to the Beatles gel polish packaging. Cute little black bottles. They are 5ml in size. We've got the little coloured sticker on top there, which I love. Really beautiful simplistic packaging. The base coat and the top coats come in 10ml bottles. Really unique bottles. These are quite tall. I really like them. I'm really excited to try out their top coats. Like I said, you get 21 different colours, and the glossy top coat, matte top coat and base coat, as well as a cute little manual. It sort of shows you how to use it all, how to remove, in loads of different languages as well, which I think is really good. And yeah, overall the packaging is really good. You've got everything you could possibly need. Very good first impressions. So these are the colours that are in this collection. It looks like a really good collection, especially for a beginner. I love that there's a black and white in there. I feel like any big gel polish collection needs a black and white inside of it. There's a good few sparkly ones, there's a couple of neon ones. There's just a whole range of colours. It looks absolutely fantastic. So appealing. It's great for all year round. And I cannot wait to dive into it and swatch it all. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to dive in, I'm going to swatch each and every one of them. We're going to test out the base coat, we're going to test out the two top coats, and just see what it's all about. But like I said, I've heard really good things about this gel polish, and it's super affordable, and I have good faith. I'm sure it's going to be a really nice gel polish set. So let's crack on. I'm going to whack on some music, I'm going to swatch all the colours, and I'll get back to you at the end. Okay, so hi guys, I am back. For some reason, apparently, I managed to take out an extra long swatch stick that's longer than the rest, which is really annoying. But I have done all the swatches. I've done half glossy, half matte, as I always do. And I'm really impressed with them. They're very much on par with Beetle's gel polish, and you guys know that I love my Beetle's gel polish. I've reviewed a good 6 or 7 collections of Beetles now, and I've always been pretty happy. And these ones are very similar. So I'm not going to lie, the main disappointing thing for me here is the black. Otherwise, I'm really happy with the collection, but the black I feel could be a bit more pigmented. I have had a few gel polishes in the past that have definitely been better. It's not terrible, I have had worse, but for me, I feel like they could just make a few improvements there, make it a little bit more pigmented. But otherwise, I'm really happy. The white is amazing. That is definitely a true white. It's got a gorgeous range of colours. They're all very pigmented. Very impressed. I love the glittery ones. They've got a good amount of coverage for the glitters. I feel like there's a really good little selection of colours here. Plenty to play with. The blue's really nice. Like, you could put the blue glitter on top of that blue and it'd be really nice. I love the fluorescence. You've got the like nice colours for autumn. Overall, really happy. The base coat is absolutely fine, no complaints there. The matte top coat I'm really happy with. Beetle's matte top coat is my all-time favourite matte top coat, and I tell you what, this one is just as good. I'm quite particular about matte top coats. I can't really say there's been any other brand apart from Beetles where I've been really happy with the matte top coat. I believe one's okay, but Beetles has always been my favourite. I tell you what, I love this one, and it's in a bigger bottle. So I'm kind of hoping that maybe they'll start selling the matte top coat individually, because I do get through a lot, and I'd really like to repurchase it when I do get through this bottle. So I'm really happy with the matte top coat, it's amazing. I'm really happy with the matte top coat, that is amazing. The glossy top coat is absolutely fine as well. It's a nice non-white top coat. And yeah, they're very pigmented, they apply beautifully, cure beautifully. There's no weird smell with them. They're not too thick, they're not too runny. They're absolutely bang on. I'm actually really pleased with these. And I'll tell you what, I know that I will definitely be making good use of this collection. I really love it. There's a beautiful range of colours. And yeah, I'm over the moon. Literally, like I said, the only complaint really is that black. The white, yeah, they sort of redeemed themselves on that white, because that white is bang on. Like, this is all one coat. Like, I didn't bother putting any more coats on the black, but you can just, it's not terrible, but it just is a little bit on the sheer side. But the white is incredible. So yeah, I'm really happy. Like I said, this kit only costs £25.99, which is really affordable. Again, on par with like Beetle's gel polish, I believe. Brands like that, very similar price range and just as good a quality. So yeah, they're definitely on my recommendation list. I'd never heard of this brand until a couple of days ago. But yeah, I have a very good feeling about this brand. They are going to smash it. They're going to do really well. I just know it, because these are really nice and so affordable. We all love a good affordable gel polish. The bottles are a good size. The top coats are actually in a 10ml bottle, whereas Beetle's gel polish only 7.5, I think. So yeah, that's a big bonus to me, and I definitely would like to purchase more of this matte top coat. It is really nice. So yeah, all round, big thumbs up for me. I really like them. I'm really thankful that they've given me the opportunity to review these. So thank you so much to UMIKK for letting me try these out. And yeah, great job on them. They are really nice. I definitely would recommend them. So I will leave the link to this collection down in the description box. I will also link their Instagram, and if I find any more social medias of theirs, I will also link those too. But other than that, I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And other than that, have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!